Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Get up here. Come on. Let's see if you use this one. Little boy, come here. Look. Come here. Come on, little boy. Look. Right in there. Come on, Chip Chip. Little girl got the hang of it. Come on, Chip Chip. There you go. Come on, Chip Chip. You got it, honey. You got it. Don't be scared. Yeah. Get right in there and get some peanuts. Pretty handy, huh? If old Steve's not around, you can just get your own peanuts. Yeah. Hey, Chip Chip. Hi, buddy. Come on, Chip Chip. Just want one peanut? Yeah, get right up in there. Get right up in there. It's a peanut dispenser. I love you too, buddy. But come on. Look. There you go. All right, little boy. You got the idea, man. You gonna go for a third one? Huh? Right, Chip Chip? There you go. All right. Now you know how to use it. That didn't take you long. All right, buddy. I think he's got the hang of it too. So, little boy, Boomer, and little girl all know how to use it.